Hey, Chris, what's
Yeah.
going on in Dallas?
Dallas, well, they got MedTrade there. 2024 MedTrade. The manufacturer introduces some cool products. So Whill, known for the CI Power Wheelchair and the FI Power Wheelchair, has now launched the RI, which is a three-wheel mobility scooter that I think you're really going to like. It's like the Tesla of scooters. It's got the Bluetooth, it's waterproof, digital dash, disassembles, FAA battery for TSA approved for all traveling, and dual motor, independent suspensions, and it's also going to have an anti-tip technology built into it to stabilize the unit. So the RI by Whill mobility scooter is something you're truly going to like if you are looking for a mobility scooter with really tight turning radius that's able to come apart, and it can hold up to 325 pounds. All right, here's a little short clip. I'll do a little overview talk about this product. It's launching in June. If you want more information about it, just give me a call at 803-926-2224. So here you go. Here's some more information about the RI. It's also on our website. Visit us at affordablemedicalusa.com. Search Whill RI, it'll pop up, and there'll be some more information there. But we have a lot more to come, accessories to come. So check us out at affordablemedicalusa.com and enjoy the little sneak preview of this item.
So here's the Model RI by Whill Technologies, three-wheel mobility scooter. You can see the spring shocks on the front wheel. It's going to turn tight because it's a three-wheel. It's also going to get up curbs and go through certain unsurfaced terrain. It's going to come apart less than 10 seconds, so it's manageable. It's got an LED display dashboard. It's like your Tesla of scooter. It really is. A lot of leg room, LED light at the front, the back, swivel seat, be able to go through the grass, up hills, have a basket underneath the seat, adjustable tiller, dual motor system. So these motors will work separate than each other so you can get that extra tight turning. You'll still have the stabilizer to keep it from tipping over, and shock suspensions, independent shock suspensions. This will slow down on tight turns, and you have a high strength aluminum durable lightweight frame. So it's Bluetooth technology, and it has an FAA approved battery that charges in 5 hours up to 12-mile range. 4 different colors to choose from: the blue, the red, the bronze, the white. I think you're really going to like it. A lot more videos to come about this unit. This is the Whill Model RI, and then here's some accessories they're going to offer: front basket, rear view mirrors, armrest accessory mount, and cane holder. So the mirrors will be able to go right there on your tiller. Again, you do have adjustable tiller. Your seat is swivel. You'll have an option for an extra basket at the front, but still have the basket underneath the seat. You'll have a cane holder that can hold a straight cane, a quad cane, whatever you might have. And here's your accessory mount for your phone holder or bottle, drink. So check us out, affordablemedicalusa.com, the Model RI by Whill. I think you're really going to love this mobility unit. Stay tuned for more videos to come.